Hi, back to back. That was a small topic, so I'm continuing with the third episode of the same uses of calcium and its products and how they are identified and what are they. Okay, so now today we are taking this in this episode. Yeah, I'm taking this topic of whitewashing of walls, which is very common. In the sense, very common. Matlab, whitewashing is also common. People paint their walls with in white color, and it's a very popular question that occurs in exams very often, ninth, 10th, 11th. It occurs very often in various ways, in form of just equation, in terms of theory, in terms of why this happens, this, that, what is the color of this. In 100 ways it can appear, this topic can appear in exams. That's how also it is popular, besides painting the walls white. Okay. Now also this is not the usual paint which is used. आजकल जो ज़्यादा वो नेरोलैक वो सब पेंट यूज़ करते हैं ना एशियन पेंट्स, वो नहीं है ये पेंटिंग. ये थोड़ा पुराने स्टाइल का पेंटिंग है. इट्स अ चीपर वे ऑफ पेंटिंग वेयर द पेंटिंग इज गुड बट या इट्स नॉट वेरी स्टेबल. मतलब थोड़ा सा लो क्वालिटी पेंटिंग माना जाता है, बट इट इज़ गुड. इट इज़ गुड बट इट इज़ नॉट दैट टिपिकल ऑयल पेंट से जो ऐसे होते वो वाला पेंटिंग नहीं है. इट्स अ स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ पेंटिंग विच इज कॉल्ड ओनली वाइट वॉशिंग. It's called whitewashing. That kind style of painting walls is called whitewashing. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. You need to whitewash your walls, or I am going to use the word I want to paint my walls. Right, I want to paint my walls. Paint के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें थोड़ी सी ऐसे ऐसे करना है पेंट, तो थोड़ा लिक्विड तो वाटर कलर होते हैं, वो पोस्टर कलर्स होते हैं. व्हाट डू दे ऑल रिक्वायर? मीडियम्स. राइट, आप उसमें वाटर कलर में वाटर मिक्स करके थोड़ा सा बनाते हो. ऑयल कलर्स में आप ऑयल एंड टर्पेंटाइन मिक्स करके उसको थोड़ा सा ढीला सा करते हो, सेमी लिक्विड से बनाते हो. सो व्हाट डू यू नीड फॉर वाइट वॉशिंग? इफ आई वांट टू पेंट माय वॉल्स वाइट, व्हाट डू आई नीड? I need a semi-solid, semi-liquid, I should say, not semi-solid. I need a semi-liquid which is white in color. I need a semi-liquid which is not very solid also and which is not very thick also. Not very thick also, जिससे हम पेंट ही ना कर पाए. बहुत थिक हो जाएगा तो पेंट नहीं होगा. बहुत लिक्विड होएगा तो the paint will come down like this. It will keep flowing like this. That also you don't want. You want it to stick. So we need a semi-liquid which is white in color. That's all that we need. Now it has to be cheap also. It doesn't have to be expensive. We need a lot of places. We don't want to spend so much. We just want to make it very economical. So it has to be cheap also. It should be easily available also. Right? It should be easily transportable also. तो ये सब चीज़ें चाहिए होती है जब आप कोई भी चीज़ बनाते हो या यूज़ करते हो. उसमें क्या यूज़ करना है? अब आई कैन यूज़ calcium products and I can use very high-fi nichrome and all those products also, but yeah, nickel products, platinum, I can paint it with silver also. But ऐसे तो नहीं ना कि आप सिल्वर पेंट कर दोगे. You look for certain qualities which should be present in your paint with which आप वाइट वॉश करोगे. और क्या चाहिए हो सकता है? ईजी अवेलेबल, ट्रांसपोर्टेबल, ईजी टू हैंडल, लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. ये नहीं कि 2 दिन में ही ख़त्म हो गया, वो पेंट ही उतर के गिर गया. इट शुड बी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. सो दीज आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स व्हेन जब हम कोई पेंट करनी है, वॉल वाइट वॉश करनी है, तो उस पेंट की क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए, ये सब होना चाहिए उसमें, या इससे ज़्यादातर चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, सो दैट वी कैन डू इट नाइसली. ओके, तो ये तो हो गई हमें क्या क्या चाहिए. इन सब में ना, इन सब रिक्वायरमेंट्स में फिट बैठता है एक कंपाउंड. देयर आर मेनी कंपाउंड्स व्हिच फिट इनटू ऑल दीज कैटेगरीज which satisfy all these qualities. But एक बहुत popular compound जो fit बैठता है, which has all these property, is lime water. That means what? You just take lime water in a bucket, you dip your, I hope this looks like a paintbrush, you dip your brush in it, and here is my wall, and I start painting it, and the wall gets whitewashed. This is what is, that's what it is कि आप लाइम वाटर लो एक बकेट में, उसमें अपना पेंटिंग ब्रश डालो, ब्रश को दीवार पे ऐसे ऐसे करो, एंड द वॉल विल बिकम वाइट. खत्म. तो ये होता है वाइट वॉशिंग. अगेन विल गो इनटू द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ ऑल दिस. नाउ हाउ इजी, हाउ इकोनॉमिकल डू यू थिंक इज ट्रांसपोर्ट? एक लिक्विड को भर भर के लाना, हमें पूरे घर को पेंट करना है. अब लिक्विड्स के कंटेनर्स भर भर के लाने पड़ेंगे. घर है, अगर सपोज 2 रूम हाउस भी है, यू विल नीड, आई डोंट नो, मे बी 20 कंटेनर्स ऑफ लाइम वाटर. नो, इट्स नॉट वेरी feasible to transport all that just for a simple white washing. So they thought कि अच्छा क्या करें, लाइम वाटर चलेगा हमें, बट लाइम वाटर से स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. we can't buy lime water from the market. It's too difficult to carry it home. So they found an easy solution. They found that in the market, you get these sacks. Sack matlab bori. This is a sack of quicklime. इसके अंदर भरा और होता है ये पाउडर, क्विकलाइम का वाइट पाउडर भर. इट्स जस्ट अ बोरी ऑफ अ पाउडर, वाइट पाउडर, क्विकलाइम. CaO से भरा हुआ एक बोरी होती है. You just buy 1 or 2 bories, get it home. It's easy to get. Buy those bories, get it home. Then what do? You turn it into a drum of, this was water. Wait. So this is a sack of quicklime. Okay, then what you do, you get it home, you take a drum which is full of water. That's it, it's full of water. You empty out the sack in it, इसमें डाल लो, and then you take a big डंडा and उसको ऐसे से घोल दो, डर को जैसे पानी में घोलते हैं. You just mix these two things. In a few seconds or in a few minutes only, you'll see. Now this is transparent. This is water, right? This is going to be transparent. Now you stir it. इसको ऐसे ऐसे घुमाओ. Stir. What you'll see in a few minutes or a few seconds, you will find that this has turned into a white liquid, which is nothing but lime water. Calcium hydroxide aqueous, which is lime water. So that problem कि हमें 20 ड्रम लाने पड़ेंगे बाजार से, एक ट्रक में रख के लाएंगे, वो मुश्किल सी बात है. That we have solved. Just get 1 bory of quicklime. घर में जाके थोड़ा करके बाल्टी में इसको पानी में डालते रहो, and you will keep getting quicklime, ये lime water. I'm so sorry. You will keep getting lime water. और फिर हमने देख लिया, इसके अंदर ब्रश डालो, हो गई वाइट वॉशिंग, पेंट हो गई वॉल्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग, you can do that. You can buy lime water from the market directly and paint it. That's not an issue. But this is an easier way they have found out कि आप एक solid quicklime ले आओ. It's very easily available in hardware stores. और उसको घर में लाओ, थोड़ा पानी में डालो और उससे पेंट करते जाओ. जब खत्म हो जाए फिर थोड़ा सा और पानी में डाल दो, फिर पेंट कर दो. So this is the process which takes place while we are starting from the market. And you'll have to buy a brush also, painting brush also, and you'll have to wear dirty clothes also. This is the process what happens when you want to whitewash. Buy a sack of quicklime, mix it in water, paint it on the walls. Now comes the chemistry. The chemistry is simple. Where did we start from? We started from quicklime. Further step, first was whitewashing ka. What was the first step? Don't start writing, I went to the market, I went to Lajpat Nagar. Don't start writing on that. Okay. Sorry, just a bad joke. We took quicklime and we converted it into lime water. This is the first step you have to do. The second step is you have to take lime water and it's over and apply on walls. That's it. Now, there's a third step which is hidden, which I'll mention now, which this makes it a little more longer but nicer. This lime water is white, fine. जब आप इसको वॉल पे पेंट करते हो ना तभी भी ये वाइट हो जाती है वॉल, पर थोड़ी सी डल सी फिनिश होती है इनकी, जैसे ऐसे ब्राइट वाइट, जैसे हॉस्पिटल्स में व्हेन यू सी इट्स लाइक नाइस एंड ब्राइट वाइट. इनमें से तो अभी कोई ब्राइट वाइट नहीं है, लाइक इट्स लाइक नाइस एंड ब्राइट. बट जब लाइम वाटर को हम पेंट करते हैं ना तो जो वॉल होती है ज़्यादा ब्राइट नहीं होती है. बट यू विल सी आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज, मतलब आफ्टर 3-4 days only, after 3-4 days what happens, this lime water reacts with carbon dioxide. अभी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आएगी कहाँ पे? वॉल है, उसके ऊपर आप कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड छिड़कने तो नहीं लग जाओगे. This will come directly from the air. The wall is in contact with the air and it will turn into, when lime water comes in contact with carbon dioxide, what happens? Get the next step. It will get converted into calcium carbonate, which is very shiny solid. Let me restart from where I began this topic. I said that lime water makes the wall white, but it's not, it's like dull light. It's not a very happy white color. So, but automatically on its own, it reacts with the carbon dioxide in the air slow. It's a slow process. The lime water is on the wall, the carbon dioxide is in the air. आपस में react करते हैं और lime water changes into calcium carbonate. Now, calcium carbonate is a little shiny solid. So then your walls start looking nice and bright and white and shiny. Okay? This is the complete whitewashing process in words, in English words. Now let's do the equation. Same चीज को हम equation में कर देंगे. First चीज हमने क्या लिखी? First चीज हमने लिखा lime water. We said quicklime plus water and it will give us lime water, right? Now let's write the equation for this. Quicklime, we've written it enough number of times though, but still, plus water will give us calcium hydroxide, which is lime water. That's the first equation. Second क्या कर रहे हैं स्टेप, हम पेंट कर रहे हैं, उसकी कोई इक्वेशन नहीं होती, हमने लिया और उसको पेंट कर लिया. थर्ड स्टेप क्या कर रहे हैं हम कुछ नहीं करें. The wall itself and the air, they are reacting with each other. Now the wall itself, this is on the wall now, ठीक है ना, ये wall पे चला गया. Okay, the second step is on the wall. Now the third step is the calcium hydroxide or lime water, which is on the wall. It is reacting with carbon dioxide from the air and it is forming calcium carbonate and some थोड़ा पानी भी obviously produce होता है, but that evaporates. This just evaporates over time. Over time मतलब धीरे धीरे वो थोड़ा गीला लगता है, but वो सूख जाता है. Okay, plus water. Now this thing is shiny in appearance. So you've painted, and after 2-3 days, what you will see, you painted white, and after 2-3 days, you will see your walls are looking nice and bright and white and shiny. Not like एकदम भी ऐसा नहीं कि आँखों में चुभ जाए. They're looking nice and pretty white. Okay, that is all about whitewashing. Now, what are the type of questions they ask? What is the raw material? The material is quicklime. Okay, Why are they dull initially? Walls, because it is dull white. Why do they become shiny after a few days? The walls, because they react with carbon dioxide to produce calcium carbonate, which is shiny. Um, what happens to the water which is produced here? It evaporates because automatically because of atmospheric heat. Okay, now one thing we don't discuss, what are the precautions? इसमें precaution चाहिए होती है. There's one some dangerous thing that can happen during whitewashing, which you have to take a precaution. So this we'll discuss separately. Precaution क्या है? While whitewashing, what precautions should we take? The precaution that you have to take is this reaction, the first reaction itself. The first reaction itself is highly exothermic. अब इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? जब आप वो ड्रम में पाउडर डाल रहे हो, पानी के ड्रम में पाउडर डाल रहे हो, क्विकलाइन डाल रहे हो, उस टाइम और जब आप स्टर कर रहे हो, उस टाइम बहुत ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है. मतलब वो द ड्रम विल बिकम हॉट. Heat will be, lots of heat will be produced. इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि फायर पॉसिबिलिटीज देयर. अगर कोई आसपास वैसे सामान पड़ा हो, स्ट्रॉ या घास या पेपर, तो देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी सो मच हीट यू कैन बर्न द, क्या बोलते हैं उनको, द people, the painters can get burned. So these are the things which can happen. So the precaution is, while mixing, do it slow. Why? Reason, the important reason is this reaction produces lot of heat. It's an highly exothermic reaction. So they ask you this also separately. Is it an endothermic or exothermic? So it's an exothermic reaction. Is heat produced or taken in? It is produced. Does the container become hot or cold? It becomes hot. What should you take, a small danda or a big danda to mix it? Obviously you have to take a long danda, जिससे आप दूर से ऐसे कर सको. अगर आप पास जाके उसको छोटे से डंडे से करोगे, you can feel a lot of heat and your face can get highly affected. So you have to take a long danda, keep the drum there, and दूर से उसको ऐसे. So that are the precautions you have to take. Why? Because it produces a lot of heat. This reaction, the first reaction itself, produces a lot of heat. It is highly exothermic. The drums and all become very hot. And that's all. Then you just let it cool. ठंडा हो जाए, फिर आप paint कर दो. Okay. So during whitewashing, the only the sequence of events that we used is this. From here, quicklime to lime water to eventually calcium carbonate on the walls. So you see, if you know the sequence permanently, we can explain whitewashing. Okay? Thank you.